Often many people think that in order to reduce back pain, you only need to be training your abs or your obliques. But if you really want to build resilient core stability, then you need to be addressing all of your core muscles. My name is Dr. Mike, and I'm a physical therapist providing tips on how to build strength and longevity with your body. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly perform the one essential exercise that will help you strengthen the most important lower back muscles when it comes to reducing your risk for injury. Today, we're going to go over how to properly perform the Sorenson Hold exercise. This particular exercise is going to target the multifidus and erectors that are located deep in your lower back, which will provide stability for each of the spinal segments. Learning how to strengthen these muscles will not only allow your spine to handle extreme loads, but will further reduce your stress in the lower back. You can start off by utilizing a glute ham development machine. If you don't have access to one of these in your gyms, don't worry, because towards the end of this video, I'll give you an alternative that will target the same muscles without requiring any machines. Now to begin, you will step onto the machine with your body in a prone position with your head facing towards the ground. Interlock your legs so that your feet are up against the platform with the top of your hip bones hanging off the edge of the support pad. Start off with your arms crossed and your body held in a horizontal position. In order to do this, think about keeping a slight chin tuck, pulling your shoulder blades back, and squeeze your glutes, and focus on keeping the knees straight to activate your quadriceps. If you're new to this exercise, you can practice performing 2 to 3 reps for anywhere between 10 to 30 second holds in this position. Now you want to focus on not holding your breath and maintaining an isometric contraction of the lower back, the glutes, and the hamstrings to prevent your body from swaying or moving too much. Once you develop a good foundation in your posterior chain and you're able to successfully perform up to 30-second holds for at least 3 sets, you can then progress the exercise by adding in some eccentrics and concentrics. You can do this by flexing your hips while maintaining a lumbar curve and allowing your torso to fall down towards the ground. Then initiate the return by squeezing your lower back muscles, glutes, and hamstrings to extend your spine back to the starting position. You can play around with various arm positions, starting off with the easiest with your arms crossed to the hardest with your arms overhead. To build optimal muscle endurance, you can perform 3 to 4 sets of between 15 to 20 repetitions. Now, if you don't have access to a glute ham development machine, you can also perform an alternative exercise by using the Superman hold on the ground. You can start by lying prone on the ground with your head facing down and your arms at your side. Just as mentioned in the Sorenson Hold, you will initiate the movement by keeping a slight chin tuck, pulling your shoulder blades back, squeezing your glutes and your quads in an attempt to get your sternum off the ground. With this exercise, you'll feel all of the muscles of the posterior chain and your lower back muscles working really hard. You can perform 2 to 3 sets for anywhere between 10 to 30 second holds in this position. There you have it, the one essential exercise that I regularly perform 2 times per week to keep my spine healthy and strong. Remember, if you've been neglecting these muscles, these exercises will be difficult, so take your time and allow your body to build endurance over time. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you can support me by giving this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and please feel free to share with me any topics you'd like for me to cover in my future videos. I'll see you in the next one.